Okay, so I ordered my new MacBook yesterday. Allora, Apple Stratford City available tomorrow. Domani è il 10?
Sì.
Ok, dai, se il 10 è un buon segno.
Perché?
Il 10 è il mio numero porta fortuna. L'ho preso. And today we're going to Stratford City to get it. Okay, you read the title, you know what's going on. So let me just explain that real quick and then we can move on to the unboxing. Basically, Apple broke my old MacBook and then they made me get a new one because they refused to fix it. And what did I do? I got a new MacBook, of course. Nowadays I can't live without one. I mean, how am I supposed to edit on a Windows computer? I don't know. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So enough of me being dramatic. Long story short, I had to buy a new MacBook because my old one, my MacBook Pro 2019, decided to die after the latest update. What happened, like, long story short, I tried to download the update and then I pressed restart so that my computer could like process the update sort of thing and then, you know, turn back on with the new update. Guess what? It never did. My computer never turned back on, and no matter how many times I tried to press the little button to turn it on, it just wouldn't work. I'll give you guys a bit of a story time. If you want to skip to the unboxing part, I'll leave a timestamp down below. Feel free to do that. I really want to talk about this shit because it definitely upset me and I definitely cried a lot for it. So here we go. Basically, after this whole thing went down, I literally went the following day to the Apple store, booked a Genius bar spot, whatever you want to call that, and I was like, you know what, this is gonna be like an easy fix. It's probably something that I'm not thinking about. They're just gonna like do their thing and then it'll be good to go. Went to the Genius bar, the guy looked at it for a bit and then he pretty much told me that I needed to replace the logic board and that would cost me around £600. Now bear in mind, if you had 600 more you can just get a new laptop. So I was like, you bloody joking. Like, it literally, it's dead after an update. So surely there's something you guys can do without me paying for it, right? I mean, Apple did that. And you know what? I've googled it. And apparently it's a common thing for MacBook just to die after an Apple update. Like a big update. And there's a conspiracy that this is something that Apple does to make people either pay for the logic board to get replaced or just pay for a new MacBook. And you know what? I fell for it because nowadays, literally, I cannot function without my MacBook with me. I do everything on my MacBook. I do work, I do music, I edit videos, I just literally just write things on it. I watch my YouTube videos in the morning, like it's part of my daily routine. And I stayed a whole week without it because we were trying to fix it. And that week, oh my god, I genuinely felt like I was missing something throughout the whole week. And that something was definitely my MacBook. It's clearly a material thing, but if you do YouTube, if you do music, if you do anything that involves having a MacBook, you'll know that your life is pretty much around it, sort of thing. But yeah, anyway, back to the story. It told me I had to pay those £600 if I wanted to get it fixed, and also that I will not be able to get anything that was like in the MacBook, like all my photos, video, or anything that I really had on that MacBook. And I literally had a mental breakdown. I couldn't stop crying. I literally called my boyfriend straight away because he knows a bit about computers or like technologies, whatever, and I was like, no, you don't get it, you need to fix my MacBook, like you have to fix my MacBook. So from the Apple store in Stratford, I took a train to go to Belsize Park to meet him, and then we tried to figure something out. He tried to open the MacBook himself, but he didn't have like the right thingy, like screwdriver or whatever that is called. Brought him to some friends of his to fix it. And bear in mind, I was quite skeptical about it, because if you live in London, you know how you can find like this different shops that like fix phones, or they even sell you old phones and whatsoever. Well, it knows like how about this guy apparently working on the shop, and it was like, oh, trust them, they'll figure out what's wrong with your MacBook and then I can fix it. And I'm like, okay. Well, guess what? That took longer than anticipating. It took the guy about a week to figure out what was wrong with it, and at the end of that week he told me like, oh, maybe it's this thing, but like I'm not too sure, but if you want we can order this piece and try that, but that will take a week to arrive and then it'll take me 2 more weeks to fix it. And I'm like, you know what, just give me back the MacBook. Saw a video which I will link down below about how to fix this issue, and my boyfriend is actually gonna try that this afternoon as I'm filming the video. By the time this video goes up, I'll definitely know whether my old MacBook is alive or not. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I went to the Apple store yesterday to get a new one, because best case scenario, if my old MacBook turns back to life this afternoon, I can always return the new MacBook, like that is not a big deal. And if worst case scenario it doesn't turn back on, like I'm 75% sure at that point I'll just have a new MacBook to start with, which is annoying because I was definitely not planning on to buying a MacBook anytime soon, but you know, shit happens. So I feel like I've talked for quite a while. That is pretty much the short version of the story, and now let's move on to the unboxing, shall we? I don't want to say this, but I'm actually quite excited. Okay, are you ready for it? Say hello to my new MacBook Pro 2021, and I actually got it in silver. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but we decided to give it a go, and we'll see. My last one was space gray, so yeah, let's just crack this open, shall we? Are we ready for this? Oh, that wasn't satisfying at all. Oh my god! Look at that! That is so pretty! Yay! Let's take this bad boy out of the case. Oh my god. You know what? I'm actually quite happy I went for the silver. I think it looks great. I feel like MacBook unboxing are quite like explanatory, and there's not really much to it compared to like a new phone or whatever, but in the box you have the charging cable, the other bit right here, and then some instructions. And now I've heard that the stickers on this one are black, so let me just open this to figure out whether that is true or not, because I think gray stickers will be sick. Nope. Aww, that is so disappointed. So my stickers are silver. I mean, where are the ones on the space gray? Black. And then the ones on the silver, silver. Surely that doesn't make sense. Anyway, quite disappointed about that. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna fake pretend, but these are all the instructions and other bits. Okay, let's just move on to the body of the MacBook. Oh my god, isn't she pretty? I love that. Okay, let me just use this on camera because I know how much you guys like this type of things, and I also really enjoy them. So oh my god, that is so pretty. Oh my god, the sound. Wow. I mean, damn. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god, why am I getting emotional every single time I get a new tech product? Like, I don't know, I was not planning on buying a new MacBook, like I said, but It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I genuinely love this color so much better than the space gray one, and I'm so happy with it because I was genuinely scared when I was like making the purchase. I was like, I don't know what color I should get, which I know is like the dumbest decision ever, but I was literally on the phone with my boyfriend be like, I don't know what color to choose. Anyway, I'm speechless. I genuinely was so upset about my MacBook being broken. But now that I see this baby, this is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to like have this up and going. I genuinely love this color, and the fact that the apple bag is actually like a mirror, like a proper mirror, because of its color. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so content. I'm speechless, really. Like, I know that getting a MacBook is some sort of big deal because of how expensive it can be, and I'm just so happy and grateful that I was able to make this purchase. I'm giving a shout out to my friend Mia because she made me use her uni days, which pretty much made me save like around 200 bucks, so thank you. Shout out to my family for always supporting me. And I got a new MacBook. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is it, I guess, for today's video. I'm gonna set this up off camera because I think due to the story time, this video is already long enough. So yeah, if you guys want more videos about my new MacBook once I set everything up, be sure to tell me that in the comments down below. I'm actually so excited to start editing because I haven't edited a video in a hot minute. But yeah, I'm genuinely so happy. I love it. I love the color, and I just guess I'll see you guys in my next video. And it feels great to say that, knowing that I can actually edit these videos now. So yeah, if you liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if these ever happened to you, if your old MacBook or like old phone or whatever just died all of a sudden due to an update. Because, well, if you want to chat some more, we can definitely do that in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new video every Friday and a music one every Tuesday. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!